At the Humber Arboretum, we like to teach kids that playing outside can be fun. And here we have a game of capture the flag. And as you can see, the kids are masters of teachers. What's up, buddy? You have a good time at camp?
Yeah. Or one guy gets.
Did you get caught yet?
Once.
Once? You're too slow, man. Oh, we have a little action going on here.
We got a corner, get out!
Oh! Yeah, man. You want to say hi to anybody?
Hi.
Say hi, Mom.
My mom's out there.
There you go, there you go. Is this the jail? What's this? What is this? Is this the jail?
No. Look at this. This is neutral.
This is the neutral zone.
Oh, this is the neutral zone.
Yeah.
What happens in the neutral zone?
Well, they're just taunting blue team over here.
Oh, they can step out and they get caught if they get step out.
Yeah. I'll help you. You don't want me to mess with your property. I'll save the day.
Nice, good job.
We got another guy.
How's the game going?
Good.
What's your favorite part? Did you get catch yet?
Nope.
You didn't get caught yet?
No.
No way. You're faster. Well done, buddy. Well, let's see what's happening over here. You look tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
What's going on here? What is this? What's your name?
My name is Daphne.
Daffodil. And what's your name? Your name is Daffodil too? Gabby. Hi, Gabby.
Are teams allowed to move their flags once they've already...
No, they're not. And there you have it, guys. A little sample of what what your kids are doing on a day at camp here at the Humber Arboretum, where learning is natural.